ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science sets have been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
Our cherished and distinguished alumni and ever-supportive stakeholders of our great university, the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, thank you very much for the privilege and the honor to come your way briefly with a few thoughts on the KNUST Day of Giving. This is a special day to honor, appreciate, and celebrate the hen that laid the golden eggs after 70 years of existence and global impact. On Friday, the 6th of October 2023, we shall all show our appreciation to KNUST by making financial donations to the university towards a noble cause in an innovative online fundraising initiative that is dubbed the KNUST Day of Giving. Our target is to raise 200 million Ghana cedis to build a 2,000 bed space hall of residence at KNUST to solve one of the biggest problems of our students and management: accommodation on campus for students. I am therefore calling on the magnanimity of all alumni, industry, and business partners, staff, students, and all friends of KNUST to kindly make financial donations electronically in any major currency on the KNUST Day of Giving. I am extremely pleased to announce to you that you are an automatic champion for this great and noble assignment. Please let us endeavor to rally as many people as possible to create this big supporting wave to make a huge impact on this global KNUST Day of Giving. No donation is too small. Thanks so very much, and do stay blessed for deciding to give to support the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. KNUST Day of Giving. Please do not be left out. Hashtag KNUST Day of Giving. Thank you.
The ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pass, and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science sets has been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
Our cherished and distinguished alumni and ever-supportive stakeholders of our great university, the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, thank you very much for the privilege and the honor to come your way briefly with a few thoughts on the KNUST Day of Giving. This is a special day to honor, appreciate, and celebrate the hen that laid the golden eggs after 70 years of existence and global impact. On Friday, the 6th of October 2023, we shall all show our appreciation to KNUST by making financial donations to the university towards a noble cause in an innovative online fundraising initiative that is dubbed the KNUST Day of Giving. Our target is to raise 200 million Ghana cedis to build a 2,000 bed space hall of residence at KNUST to solve one of the biggest problems of our students and management: accommodation on campus for students. I am therefore calling on the magnanimity of all alumni, industry, and business partners, staff, students, and all friends of KNUST to kindly make financial donations electronically in any major currency on the KNUST Day of Giving. I am extremely pleased to announce to you that you are an automatic champion for this great and noble assignment. Please let us endeavor to rally as many people as possible to create this big supporting wave to make a huge impact on this global KNUST Day of Giving. No donation is too small. Thanks so very much, and do stay blessed for deciding to give to support the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. KNUST Day of Giving. Please do not be left out. Hashtag KNUST Day of Giving. Thank you.
ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically.
Good morning. Good morning, dear students. Oh, I said good morning. We are all happy to have you here, and we want to welcome you to this morning's contest. This is contest 1 for the day, and the Junior Science and Maths Quiz is proudly organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology in collaboration with the Ghana Education Service and DEX Technologies. We want to kindly appreciate and acknowledge our Vice Chancellor in the person of Professor Mrs. Rita Akosia-Dixon for her continuous support. We also want to recognize, importantly, and of course, appreciate the leadership of the chair of the board of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz in the person of Professor Kwesi Preku. And indeed, we also want to appreciate all the board members. Let me also use this rare opportunity to salute the heads of the various institutions, especially those competing in this morning's contest. I also need to applaud profusely the dedicated teachers who have really trained the contestants for this particular contest. And to the students, my gallant students, I also need to proudly and honestly applaud you for indeed representing your schools proudly in this competition. We also need to appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors. We want to thank them for coming on board to support us or supporting us in diverse ways. Indeed, we are grateful to every single one of our sponsors. Thank you very much. So the 2024 Junior Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the KNUST E-Learning Center for all our media and video coverages. Indeed, we are grateful. At KNUST E-Learning Center, we say just a click. The KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, we appreciate you for making all our journeys around the nation very easy and indeed pleasurable. In fact, the venues you have provided have been awesome. Say thank you very much. At KNUST IDL, we say lifelong learning, an essential key for development. DEX Technologies. At DEX Technologies, we say practical science is now practical. We thank you so very much for making our technology challenge round a reality. And of course, you also make it very exciting and hands-on. Thank you, DEX Technologies. Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited. We appreciate you for all the juicy prizes. Your generous contributions have indeed been a cornerstone of our success, and we say thank you to you. To the Ghana National Petroleum Corporation Foundation, we say thank you for indeed coming on board so that together we are able to impact lives. Steady X, appreciated. We are really appreciated, or we really appreciate you for coming on board. Pizza Man, Chicken Man. Pizza Man, Chicken Man. We are really looking forward to wonderful meal packages. And at Pizza Man, Chicken Man, we say great food lives here. Fonjo Images, you are really appreciated for indeed making our memories alive. And to our media partner, Kesben TV, thank you very much for telecasting this program for us. And indeed, you have really amplified our reach and impact. Thank you so much for partnering with us. At Kesben TV, we say, Obia Bedidi, to which everyone will have a share. Kindly remember that the Junior Science and Maths Quiz program is tailor-made for learners in the junior high schools so they are able to exhibit their understanding of the basic principles underlining the physical sciences, as well as the life sciences. And our expectation is that it will promote a lot of teamwork and critical thinking. And in fact, for them also to exhibit their problem-solving skills right from the early stages in their academic lives. Now, for today's competition or contest, we have three schools. And the schools are University Junior High School, Papaase Catholic Basic A School, and Greater Grace Christ Academy. Greater Grace Christ Academy. And so we want the contestants to introduce themselves. Contestants, are you ready? Right. So University Junior High School is proudly represented by
Sophia Philippovna Goleku, Basic 9.
Good. And
Siegfried Kojoyanka, Basic 9.
Kojo, can you come again, please? And take it slowly. Kojo, may I hear your name, the first name, your Christian name?
Siegfried.
Siegfried. Right. Thank you very much. Papaase Catholic Basic A is proudly represented by
Wisdom Mason, Basic 9.
Excellent. A round of applause for them, please. And Greater Grace Christ Academy is also proudly represented by. Can you speak into the microphone? Okay, so we'll get your microphones checked. All right, can we try it again? Greater Grace. All right, Greater Grace is represented by the second contestant. Can we hear your
Manko. Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. Please, a round of applause for them. And my name is Augustine Angelina. I'm a senior lecturer at the Department of Theoretical and Applied Biology, and I'm also a senior research fellow at the Kumasi Center for Collaborative Research in Tropical Medicine. And I will be your quiz mistress for this morning's contest. Now, there are some few rules we want to carefully and attentively look into. Contestants, you have buzzers in front of you, and let's just do a quick buzzer check. So may we please hear the sound from the buzzer from University Junior High School? Very good. Papaase Catholic Basic A. Good. Greater Grace Christ Academy. Excellent. Can we do it again? Greater Grace. Good. Papaase. University Junior High School. Very good. Now, contestants, listen attentively. So for your major question, you don't need to press the buzzer. All right? Your major question, don't press the buzzer. And if a school is also answering a question or its major question, there's no need pressing the buzzer. As soon as they are done or they have exhausted their attempts, then you can go ahead and press the buzzer. So there will be 4 rounds in this contest. 4 rounds in this contest. Round 1, known as the fundamentals. Round 2, the fastest brain, fastest finger. Round 3, the science and technology challenge. Round 4, decoding the clues. But contestants, just relax. I will definitely be reading the instructions at the beginning of each round. So we want to start with round 1. Round 1. So round 1, the fundamentals, and this round consists of questions in the areas of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT. And if a school answers a question correctly, 3 points will be awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the 2 other schools to compete for. And the score for a bonus question is 1 point. And contestants, your schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations, and 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. And each school will have a maximum of two attempts for your major question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. And of course, bonus questions are always open to the 2 other schools to compete for. But you need to do this by ringing your buzzers. And contestants, failure to press the buzzer before answering a bonus question will nullify your answer, which means that you will not have any points accrued in this particular case. And even when you are right, once you are right and you failed to ring or press your buzzer, no points will be awarded in this particular case. Contestants, I wish you all the best, all right? We want to start our quiz. Question 1. There's a preamble to all schools. Give the reason for the following statements. Give the reason for the following statements. University JHS. Tap water conducts electricity, whereas distilled water does not. Yes, go ahead. Yeah, you don't need to press the buzzer. Just go ahead. It's your major question.
This is due to the fact that tap water is soft water and distilled water is hard water.
No, that is not correct. I won't give that to you. And your time is up.
Tap water.
Your time is up. So now it's available to the 2 other schools as a bonus. Oh, so we know that tap water contains ions. And once we have ions, then electricity or electric current will be able to pass through. But in the case of distilled water, there are no ions. So obviously, electrical current cannot pass through. All right? Papaase or Papaase. I think Papaase sounds better. Papaase Catholic Basic A. Water is never added to acid. Yes, go on.
Because there might be an explosion.
I'll give you 2. I'll give you 2 out of 3. I'll give you 2 out of 3. Yes, the explosion will be the end result. So you gave us the end result. But of course, it is because if you decide to add water to acid, heat will be produced, the high level of heat. And of course, at the end of the day, the heat may end up in an explosive reaction. Greater grace. Greater grace. During the rainy season, a milkman usually adds a very small amount of baking soda to fresh milk.
To neutralize the soil.
No. That is yes, University JHS as a bonus.
This is because the fresh milk would be highly acidic. Therefore, the baking soda would neutralize it, therefore making it less acidic.
Yes, I'll give it to you. That is correct. next question, question 2. There's a preamble, and you have 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Identify the substance given as homogeneous or heterogeneous. Identify the substance given as homogeneous or heterogeneous. Homogeneous or heterogeneous matter. So here you have only one chance and no bonus will be given. So we will not, or I will not pass on the question. Papaase, alcohol.
A homogeneous mixture.
That is correct for 3 points. Please clap for them. Greater grace, seawater.
Homogeneous mixture.
No, seawater is heterogeneous. I'm so sorry. University JHS, dirt. Heterogeneous is correct for 3 points. University JHS, you know what? Keep your fingers away from the buzzer, all right? Your major question, you don't press the buzzer. Question 3. You have 15 seconds. 15 seconds. And there's a preamble to all schools. Mention the following types of computer network with characteristics. Mention the following types of computer network with characteristics. Greater grace. MAN or MAN.
Metropolitan area network. They connect computers in a large area.
Okay, so there was a technique. So I mentioned MAN, M-A-N, M-A-N, MAN. You want to come again?
Metropolitan area network. It connects computers in a larger area.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3. So yes, metropolitan area network, and it covers a city. It covers a city. University JHS, LAN or LAN.
Local area network, and it connects devices within a smaller area.
That is correct for 3 points. Papaase Catholic Basic A. WAN or WAN.
Wide area network. It connects people around the whole world.
I'll give it to you 3 out of 3. Well done. Question 4. Contestants, you have 40 seconds. 40 seconds. University JHS. The wages of 10 workers for a 6-day week is 1,200 Ghana cedis. What are the 1 day's wages of 4 workers? Yeah, it's
200
your
Ghana.
question. Go on.
200 Ghana cedis.
That is not correct. You have another chance. It's available to the two other schools. Papaase.
28 Ghana cedis.
That is not correct. The correct answer is 80 Ghana cedis, and I'll tell you why later. Papaase, your main question. The total wages paid to 12 workers for 4 days is 2,400 Ghana cedis. How much will 3 workers earn in 2 days?
$45 Ghana cedis.
That is not correct. You have another chance.
300 Ghana cedis.
300 Ghana cedis is correct for 3 points. Well done.
600.
Greater Grace, your major question. The wage of 8 workers for a 5-day week is 1,600 Ghana cedis. What are the 1-day wages of 6 workers? Your time is up. Available as a bonus. Papaase.
It's 30%.
Can you say it again? I did not hear you.
5 cedis, 30%.
No, that is not correct. So the correct answer is 240 Ghana cedis. Simple proportion. I'm sure you remember your simple proportion. Right. So the next question, question 5. You have 40 seconds. 40 seconds. There's a preamble to all schools. Now listen attentively. Find the resistance in a metallic conductor if the voltage and current through the conductor are. Find the resistance in a metallic conductor if the voltage and current through the conductor are. University JHS. Voltage equals 240 V and current is 3.5 A. Your time is up. Yes, Papaase.
68.5 ohms.
No, I won't give it to you. nearly had it. 68.57 ohms. Papaase, your major question. V equals 260 volts and I equals 2.5 A.
$104.
That is correct for 3 points. Please clap for them. Well done. Greater grace. Greater grace. V equals 250 V and I equals 1.5 A.
Hundred ohms.
No, that is not correct. You have another chance, actually.
ohms.
No, that is not correct. Yes, Papaase.
106.67 ohms.
That is correct for a point. Well done. Well done. Question 6. There's a preamble. Contestants, listen attentively. The following questions are statements, and you are to state whether they are true or false. You are expected to state whether the statements I'll be making are true or false. And these questions cannot be passed on as bonuses. Greater grace. Work is done when a force moves an object over a distance in the direction of the force.
False.
No, that is a true statement. That's a true statement. University JHS. The density of a substance is its mass per unit volume.
True.
Indeed, that is a true statement. Papaase, the Earth's magnetic field is like that of a bar magnet.
True.
Indeed, that is a true statement. University JHS. All components of a plant cell are called organelles.
False.
Indeed, that is a false statement. Papaase, the protoplasm is made up of nucleus and cytoplasm.
False.
No. The protoplasm, it has always been the nucleus and the cytoplasm. Greater grace. Chloroplast is a cell component found in all plant cells, including root cells.
False.
Indeed, that is a false statement. And on that note, contestants, we have come to the end of round 1. Please, a round of applause for all our contestants. Well done. Well done. Well done. Remember, the quiz is proudly sponsored by the KNUST e-Learning Center, the KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, DEX Technologies, Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, Ghana National Petroleum Corporation, SteadyX, Pizza Man, Chicken Man, Fonjo Images, and of course, our media partner, Kesben TV, where we say, Obia Bedidi. Let's check up on marks. Right. And the scores are in. The scores are in. At the end of the first round, at the end of round 1, in no particular order, University JHS, 13 points. Please clap for them. Papaase Catholic Basic A, 18 points. Please clap for them. Greater Grace Christ Academy, 5 points. Please clap for them. Well done to our contestants. So we move to round 2. Round 2 is the fastest brain. Contestants, please pay attention. And here, one question will be read out, and contestants are expected to compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to respond. When you are ready to respond, please press the buzzer before you attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify your school from that question. And after the buzzer has been pressed, contestants, you must produce the answer in 3 seconds. 3 seconds. And if a school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete to answer that particular question. Now, contestants, in this particular round, a wrong answer will attract a penalty of 1 point. 1 point. And so I guess you would always want to be very careful if you want to press the buzzer. Contestants, I wish you all the best. Let's just do a short buzzer check. A buzzer check. Let's hear the sound from the buzzer for Greater Grace. Very good. Papaase. Very good. University JHS. Very good. We do it again. University JHS. Can you press it again, please? Okay. Papaase. Very good. And then Greater Grace. Greater Grace, do you want to press it again? Very good. Right. So we start. The process of arranging data in a specific order or sequence is known as yes, University JHS.
How many?
No, that is not correct. It's available to the 2 other schools as a bonus. Oh, the correct answer is sorting. Sorting. S-O-R-T-I-N-G. Sorting. The next one. Where What is the reproductive organ found in plants? Yes, university. The flower is correct for 4 points. Now listen. When an acid dissolves in water and only a small fraction of the molecules dissolve, it is called
The question again.
I don't repeat questions, unfortunately. That's how come I take my time to read the question. So it is called a weak acid. Weak acid. You have an acid and it dissolves in just a small fraction of water molecules. You form a weak acid. Okay? Right. Now listen attentively. Which type of wave requires no medium to travel through? Yes, Papaase.
Radio wave.
No. That is not correct. Yes, university.
Sound wave.
Pardon?
Sound wave.
No, that is not correct. So it is light wave or electromagnetic wave. Contestants, I need you to be audible, okay, and speak right into the microphone. Are you okay? Right. Now the next one. Find the median of the given data. 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13. Yes, University JHS. 14 is correct for 4 points. What happens when, now listen, what happens when red litmus paper is dipped in dilute nitric acid? Papaase.
It remains.
Say again.
It remains the same.
Of course, it will remain the same. Well done. Contestants, please, I need you to be audible. Speak right into the microphone, not microscope, the microphone. Are you okay? All right. Now the next one. Calculate the capacitance of a capacitor that stores a charge of 3 coulombs when a voltage of 6 volts is applied across it. Yes, Papaase.
78 farads.
No, that is not correct. So you remember your formula, C is equal to Q over V. And I gave you C, I gave you Q, and I gave you V. So actually 3 over 6, which is 1 over 2 or 0.5 farad. I hope you are learning. Now the very last one in this round. Find the vector which translates the point. Find the vector which translates the point 2, 6 to 5, 4. Yes, Papaase.
3 negative 2.
That is correct for 4 points. And on that exciting moment, we have come to the end of round 2. Congratulations, congratulations to all the competing schools. Well done. Please, a round of applause for them, please, kindly. Please clap for them. Well done, well done, well done. Well done. Well done. So our scores are in. Our scores are in. And at the end of round 2, so during round 2, University JHS made 6 points. So now they have a total of 19 points. Please clap for them. Well done. Papaase made 6 points, and so they have a total of 24 points. Please clap for them. And Greater Grace made 0, or they did not make any points, so 0 points in round 2, and so they have a total of 5 points. Please clap for them. Well done, well done, well done, contestants. So we move to round 3. Round 3. So round 3 is our science and technology challenge. And here, one question will be given to all the schools. And the question in this round will require that our contestants perform a task, after which an assessment will be made. Now, the score for this round is 10 points. And contestants will also be given 10 minutes to complete the task. And round 3 is proudly powered by DEX Science Set. So contestants, you have been provided with 3 color filters. You have been provided with 3 color filters. So you have red, green, and blue. And with these filters, you are to use them to observe a light bulb in the room. So, Greater Grace, do you have your 3 color filters? Red, green, and blue? Greater Grace?
Yes.
Do you?
Yes.
Excellent. Papaase, do you have your 3 color filters, red, green, and blue?
Yes, please.
Excellent. University JHS, do you have your 3 color filters, red, green, and blue?
Yes.
Excellent. Right. So it's a very simple task, and you are expected to use the red filter to observe a bulb. And then you use the green filter to observe a bulb. You use the blue filter to also observe a bulb. Now the next task, task 4, is for you to combine blue and red and observe a bulb again. And the 5th task is for you to combine green and red and then, of course, observe the bulb again. Now I have some related questions for you. I I need you to write down the colors you would observe in task 1, task 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then importantly, I also need you to explain why the white bulb was showing different colors when observed using the color filters. Contestants, are you ready to perform this task? All right. On that note, your 10 minutes starts from now. All the best. this work. 3 minutes. You have 3 minutes. 3 more minutes. Contestants, stop work. Make sure your pens are down. Make sure your pens are down. Your pens should be down. Well done. Very proud of you. So kindly submit your answer sheet. Have you? Yes, kindly. All right. Well done, contestants. I saw a lot of discussions, teamwork. You were thinking critically, I'm sure. And I'll very soon collate the marks or the scores and announce it. So we'll take a short commercial break from our sponsors.
Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder.
What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, Dex Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools.
Intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pass and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science sets have been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
Ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pass and forget.
As a school, we thought it's as very important to let our children have a practical experience with what they study. So as a school, we decided to introduce the science sets.
As a parent, I experience what is being taught to my child in school, in the house, and I see my children telling me this is what brings the force to the machine that is carrying the load and the rest, and I'm like, wow, if at grade 5 and 6 a child is able to have all this at the back of their mind and be hands-on, then the future is bright.
Science sets have been the game changer for Solomon Bennett Memorial as a school.
We are back. And well done. It was an interesting technology challenge you had to go through. Interesting but very simple. So we gave you 3 color filters, green or red, green and blue. And our expectation was for you to observe a light bulb in the room using these filters. So we asked that you use red, the green, the blue, and then a combination of the blue with the red, and then a combination of the green and red. And we asked that you write the colors observed in 1, tags 1, 2, 3, and 5. And importantly, give us some scientific reasons as to why the bulb was showing different colors anytime you observed the bulb using the different color filters. So I will give you the marking scheme. So of course, if you used the red filter, you will definitely, or you saw, or you will see a red light. Green will give you green light, blue will give you blue light. The trick comes in when you do the combination. So blue and red will give you purple or violet. And then green and red would obviously give you a yellow color. A yellow color. And in terms of why the bulb, the white bulb, really, why the white bulb was showing different colors when observed using the different colors, very simple. Because you know what? As for the color filters, you had different colors in this case. But we know that when it comes to white light, it contains all the colors of the spectrum. And so anytime you displayed the red filter in front of the white bulb, obviously it had to take up the color of the filter. And then, so either this reason or because the fact, because due to the fact that color filters will definitely allow certain colors to pass through while blocking others. So if you have red in front of the white bulb, only red will go through. It will block all other colors. Only red. If you had blue, only blue will be allowed to pass through the white light and block all other colors. And indeed, the other reason is that when you look at the white bulb through a filter, you only see the color that the filter allows. And this time you had specific colors of the filter. And so if you use blue color, then the light that the filter would allow or the bulb will allow through will definitely be blue. I'm sure by now, contestants, you know where you scored some high marks and low marks. But importantly, if you gave me the correct colors for the task 1, the 5 tasks, 1 point each, so that will give you 5 points. And the reason, very important, 5 points. Reason 5 points, and then task 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, also 5 points. So red, green, blue, violet, stroke, purple, yellow. Now let's look at greater grace. Greater grace, well done. You were able to provide the correct colors for task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4. I don't know what happened. When you got to task 5, you have written thick green, but no, yellow light. And so that gives you 4 out of 5 for the first bit of the question. And for the second question, for you to explain why the white bulb was showing different colors when observed using the color filters, you have indicated, and I like it, well done, because the color of the filters reflected the white bulb, making it to show different colors. So I will give you 5 out of 5. So in total, you get 9 out of 10. Well done. Please, a round of applause for them. Greater grace. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Let's look at University JHS. So yes, you have provided me with red, green, blue, and then you gave me red again. I don't know what you saw. And then you gave me another red. but it is red, green, blue, purple or violet, and yellow. So that means that for the first bit of the question, you have 3 points. Now the second one, the scientific one, the explanation. You have indicated the white bulb showed different colors when observed with different colored filters because those 3 colors are primary colors of light. Therefore, when light is observed through those colors, since they are found in light, the eye sees the light as those colors. Then when filters are combined, the light was seen as red because red is a dominant color of light. This is not the case, but I saw the effort you put in, the teamwork. So I'll give you 1 for effort, which means that out of the 10, you have 4 out of 10. Well done. Please clap for them. Now let's look at Papaase. Papaase. So Papaase, you have given me red, green, blue, violet, and then you have brown stroke green, black. So it means that 4 out of 5. And then the reason, the explanation. This is because when white light beam is splitted, some individual colors are obtained. This may also be known as dispersion of light. But this is not the case. But I saw the effort. So like University Junior High School, I'll give you 1 out of 5, which means that you have a total of 5 out of 5. Well done. Please clap for them. Now let's look at our marks. So UJHS 4 in this particular round, Papaase 5 in this particular round, and Greater Grace 9 in this particular round, making a total of University JHS 23 points. 23 points. Please clap for them. Well done. Papaase Catholic Basic A, 29 points. Well done. 29 points. Well done. And Greater Grace Christ Academy, 14 points. 14 points. Well done. Very, very well done to our contestants. We are so proud of you. And of course, we also are proud of our sponsors. We appreciate them for coming on board. We move to the very last round in this contest, which is round 4. And round 4 is basically, will be done using your buzzers. So let's just do a quick buzzer check. Greater Grace, can we hear the sound from your buzzer? Good. University JHS. Good. Papaase Catholic. Very good. Let's do it again. University. Oh, all right. And then Greater Grace and Papaase. Very good. So there's a substitution. There's a substitution. A substitution. And so I guess our 2 amazing, brilliant, exciting, wonderful 2 students from Papaase Catholic Basic A School, they are leaving us. For wisdom is leaving us. And Angel is coming in. I'm sure Angel will bring some angelic blessings. Well done, Wisdom. Please, a round of applause for Wisdom. Wisdom, well done. Thank you for making your school proud. Well done. Angel, you're welcome. Angel, I cannot hear you.
Ideal Solomon Bennett student is someone who is an all-rounder. I mean, practically, intellectually, morally, physically. First, the study of science was chew, pass, and forget.
As a school.
All right, so we are back. Angel, you're welcome. Okay, kindly mention your name and the form or class in which you are.
Angela Kosubuatma, Basic 9.
Excellent, welcome. And please clap for her. You're welcome, Angel. And there's a substitution for greater grace. Greater grace. So Gacy is leaving us for Abodogli to come in. Gacy, well done. You really made your school proud. And of course, you also made yourself proud. Well done and congratulations. All right, Abodogli, you're welcome. Excellent.
Thank you very much.
Excellent. Kindly introduce yourself by mentioning your name and the form or class you are in.
Agbenyaga Agbedoglu, BS9.
Oh, Agbenyega. I'll go for Agbenyega. All right, you're welcome. I'm sure you are bringing us blessings. This is the last round, the very last round in this contest. And I think let's just do a buzzer check. So, Greater Grace, please press your buzzer. Good. Papaase. Very good. University JHS. Very good. Papaase. Again. Good. Greater Grace. And University JHS. All right, we are good to go. So round four is decoding the clues round. And in this round, the question will be read out as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, 6 points. 6 points will be awarded. If answered correctly on the second clue, 5. 5 points will be awarded. On the third clue, 4 points. And on the fourth or any other indication, 3 points will be awarded. And contestants, you are supposed to press the buzzer before you attempt to answer the question. Again, if you fail to press the buzzer before you answer the question, I will nullify your answer. It means that even if the answer is correct, I will give you 0. I won't even mind you. So please, contestants, take your time, listen attentively, and I'm sure the best school will definitely carry the day. I wish you all the best. So the first, decoding the clue. I stay on the surface, never sinking below. My ability depends on the density and the liquid I am in. You'll see me with a boat on water or ice on a drink. Archimedes explained my principle. Law. Papaase.
Rotation.
I will give it to you. 3 out of 3. Well done. 3 points. Well done. The second riddle. The second one. I'm found on computers, phones, and typewriters. I'm a set of buttons used for typing words and commands. University.
The keyboard.
The keyboard is correct for 5 points. The last but one riddle. The last but one riddle. Listen attentively. I'm the process that helps plants reproduce. Papaase.
Photosynthesis.
Bees, wind, and water spread my vital greater grace.
Pollination.
Pollination is correct for 5 points. Now the very last riddle. The very last riddle. Whether atomic or biological, I am always at the heart. In atoms, I hold protons and neutrons tightly together. University JHS.
Nucleus.
The nucleus is correct for 5 points. And on that correct answer, we have come to the end of round 4 and of course to the end of this contest. Remember the 2024 Junior Science and Maths Quiz Competition is proudly sponsored by the KNUST E-Learning Center. For all our media and video coverages, indeed, we are most grateful. At KNUST E-Learning, we say just a click. The KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, we appreciate you for making all our travels through the nation, around the nation, pleasurable. We appreciate you for all the amazing venues you always provide. At KNUST IDL, we say lifelong learning an essential key for development. DEX Technologies, where indeed practical science is now practical. Thank you so much for making our technology challenge a reality. And thank you for making it hands-on. Thank you so very much. Multi-credit savings and loan. Thank you for your generous contributions to this year's competition. Ghana National Petroleum Corporation, GNPC. We thank you so very much for coming on board. So together we impact lives. Study X, thank you for making this year's quiz an amazing competition. Pizza Man, Chicken Man, really, we are waiting patiently for those amazing meal packages. And at Pizza Man, Chicken Man, we say great food lives here. Fonjo Images, thank you so very much for keeping our memories alive. And of course, to our media partner, Kesben TV, thank you for coming on board and collaborating with us. And at Kesben TV, we say, Obiya Bedidi, which means that everyone will have a share. Congratulations, contestants. Well done. It was such an interesting competition. Now let's look at our scores. So at the end of round 4, only in round 4, University JHS made 10 points. Please clap for them. Papaase Catholic Basic A, 3 points. Please, a round of applause for them. Greater Grace Christ Academy, 5 points. Please clap for them. Now the overall. Now I'll start from the bottom. So at the end of contest 1, for day 1, for the Central Regional Qualifiers series, Greater Grace Christ Academy had 19 points. Well done. We are so proud of you. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Greater Grace. Papaase Catholic Basic A. My goodness. 32 points. Well done. Well done. Well done. You did so well. You did so very well. And we are all proud of you. University Junior High School, a total of 33 points. Well done. Well done. And we are so proud of you. We want to say thank you very much to Greater Grace for coming on board, and of course to Papaase Catholic Basic for also coming on board. We hope to see you in our next year's competition, and I strongly believe that when you show up next year, you will definitely make it to the next stage of the contest. University Junior High School, well done. You have qualified, and we will definitely see you either tomorrow, and we applaud you for the hard work, and so we declare that you are the winner or the winners for this particular contest, University Junior High School. Well done. A round of applause for them. Well done. So there's another contest coming up right after this contest, and it will be a heated one. It will be a heated one between Afransi DAJHS, Elmina Methodist BJHS, and Pleasant Living Spring Academy. Stay glued to our YouTube channels, our Facebook pages, and I'm sure that you definitely enjoy the next contest. And of course, my name is Augustina Angelina Silverkin, and I moderated this particular contest. Thank you very much, and see you in. Thank you, and bye-bye.